Hey everyone, welcome back to The Technist HQ. This is the channel where we break down the future of AI, new tech, and digital innovation in a realistic way. If you're fascinated by the technologies shaping tomorrow, you've come to the right place. Today's topic sounds like science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming reality. What if the next financial revolution doesn't need banks, CEOs, or even humans making decisions? Sounds impossible? A few years ago, most people thought self-driving cars were impossible too. Now they're already on real roads. And the same thing is happening with AI-powered crypto networks. AI-powered crypto systems are quietly transforming how trust, money, governance, and digital ownership work online. And most people still think it's just hype. But here's the thing. Every major technological shift looks overhyped in the beginning. The internet looked overhyped. Social media looked overhyped. Even smartphones were dismissed at first. And now, AI and blockchain are beginning to merge into something much bigger than either technology alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into how AI and blockchain are creating autonomous financial systems. Systems that can make decisions, optimize investments, detect fraud, and even govern themselves with minimal human intervention. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this could become one of the biggest technological transformations of the next decade. For decades, trust on the internet has relied on centralized institutions. Banks verify transactions. Governments enforce rules. Companies control data. And humans make most important decisions. But there's a massive problem with that model. Humans are emotional. Humans are biased. Humans can be corrupted. And centralized systems can fail catastrophically. We've seen financial collapses wipe out billions of dollars. We've seen companies leak private user data. We've seen insider manipulation, corruption, fraud, and cyber attacks happen repeatedly. And because centralized systems depend heavily on trust, when trust breaks, everything breaks with it. That's one reason blockchain technology exploded into the mainstream. Blockchain introduced decentralized trust. Instead of relying on a single company or institution, transactions could now be verified publicly through code and distributed networks. That was revolutionary. For the first time, people could transfer value digitally without needing a traditional middleman. But even blockchain has limitations. Most crypto systems still rely heavily on human coordination. Humans vote on governance proposals. Humans manage protocols. Humans decide upgrades. Humans respond to crises. And honestly, humans are often inefficient. Governance decisions can take weeks. Communities argue endlessly online. Large investors sometimes dominate voting systems, and emotional decision-making can create instability. That's where AI enters the picture. Artificial intelligence introduces automation, prediction, optimization, and intelligent decision-making into decentralized systems. And together, AI plus blockchain may create something entirely new: self-operating digital economies. Now, at first glance, AI and blockchain seem completely unrelated. AI is about intelligence, learning, and prediction. Blockchain is about transparency, decentralization, and security. But when combined, they solve each other's weaknesses almost perfectly. AI systems need massive amounts of trustworthy data to function effectively. Blockchain provides transparent and tamper-proof data. Meanwhile, blockchain systems need automation and efficiency. AI provides intelligent automation. That combination is incredibly powerful. Think about it this way. Blockchain acts like the secure foundation, and AI acts like the intelligent brain operating on top of it. And together, they create systems that can think, adapt, and operate autonomously. Right now, AI systems can already analyze enormous amounts of blockchain data in real time. They can detect suspicious wallet activity and identify market manipulation patterns. They can automate lending decisions, optimize trading strategies, and even manage decentralized organizations. This is no longer theoretical technology. It's already happening. One of the biggest applications of AI-powered crypto networks is automated trust. Normally, trust requires humans or institutions manually verifying information, but AI changes that. AI systems can now monitor blockchain activity 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without stopping. Imagine an AI system scanning millions of blockchain transactions every second. It notices patterns humans would never detect. It flags suspicious wallets before scams spread widely. It detects abnormal trading behavior and identifies vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them. And because blockchain data is public and transparent, AI models have enormous data sets to learn from. That means these systems can become smarter over time, and that changes the entire idea of digital trust. Instead of trusting a bank or a corporation, people begin trusting transparent algorithms and decentralized verification systems. That's a huge shift. And honestly, most people still don't realize how significant this transformation could become. Now let's talk about money, because this is where things become really interesting. Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, already allows people to lend, borrow, trade, and earn yield without traditional banks. But managing crypto investments manually can be exhausting. Markets move 24/7. Prices change constantly. Opportunities appear and disappear within minutes. Most humans simply can't keep up. But AI can. AI agents can now scan hundreds of DeFi protocols simultaneously. They can search for the best yields, manage risks dynamically, and rebalance portfolios automatically. They move liquidity between platforms and adjust investment strategies in real time. That's a massive evolution from traditional investing. Instead of checking charts manually every few hours, imagine having an intelligent AI financial assistant managing everything automatically for you. And the crazy part? We're already moving in that direction. AI-powered trading systems can react faster than any human trader possibly could. Some systems use predictive analytics to anticipate market behavior before major price swings happen. Others optimize liquidity allocation across decentralized platforms to maximize returns. In the future, AI financial agents may autonomously manage entire decentralized portfolios. We're slowly moving from passive investing to autonomous financial intelligence. But governance might be the most fascinating part of all this. Most crypto projects today operate through DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. In theory, DAOs allow communities to vote collectively on decisions. Sounds great, right? But in reality, DAO governance often becomes messy. Participation rates are low. Complex proposals confuse users. Communities become divided, and large token holders can dominate decisions. Sometimes governance discussions drag on endlessly, while critical problems remain unsolved. AI could dramatically improve this process. Imagine AI systems instantly summarizing complex proposals into simple language. Imagine AI predicting the economic outcomes of decisions before communities vote. Imagine AI detecting malicious governance attacks automatically, or even recommending decisions based on network stability, growth, and long-term sustainability. That could make decentralized governance dramatically smarter and more efficient. And researchers are already experimenting with AI-assisted governance systems right now. But here's where things become slightly uncomfortable. If AI systems become advanced enough to manage financial systems, optimize economies, and guide governance decisions, how much control should humans keep? That's a serious question, because once systems become increasingly autonomous, humans may slowly stop understanding the decisions being made underneath the surface. And that creates risks, a lot of risks. This is the part most hype videos avoid talking about. AI models can be manipulated, algorithms can inherit bias, smart contracts can still be exploited, and autonomous systems can fail at massive scale. There's also the transparency problem. Many advanced AI systems operate like black boxes. Even developers sometimes struggle to explain how certain AI systems reach decisions. Now imagine that uncertainty being connected directly to financial systems. If an AI-controlled protocol makes a catastrophic mistake, who becomes responsible? The developers, the community, the users, or the AI itself? Another major concern is centralization. Ironically, some AI crypto projects still rely heavily on centralized AI infrastructure controlled by a few large companies. That could undermine the original decentralized vision blockchain promised in the first place. And governments around the world are paying very close attention, because autonomous financial systems operating globally could challenge traditional laws entirely. Despite all these risks though, momentum is accelerating rapidly. We're already seeing AI-native crypto projects emerge. Autonomous AI agents are beginning to transact on-chain independently. Decentralized compute networks are powering AI training. And Web3 developers are building intelligent systems capable of interacting without direct human control. In the future, you may have AI agents negotiating contracts on your behalf, AI wallets managing your investments automatically, AI assistants paying bills autonomously, AI DAOs operating massive online communities, and decentralized digital economies functioning non-stop without centralized oversight. At that point, this stops being just a crypto story. It becomes a story about redesigning digital coordination itself. The combination of AI and blockchain could reshape finance, governance, identity, gaming, creator economies, supply chains, and even how online organizations operate globally. And believe it or not, we're still extremely early. Most people are still focused on meme coins and hype cycles, while the real infrastructure of autonomous digital systems is quietly being built underneath. So, is AI-powered crypto truly the future? Or is it just another overhyped trend that will eventually fade away? The truth is probably somewhere in between. But one thing is absolutely clear. The fusion of artificial intelligence and blockchain is creating systems that are becoming smarter, faster, more adaptive, and increasingly autonomous. And whether these technologies ultimately empower humanity or create entirely new problems will depend on how we choose to build, regulate, and govern them today. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into AI, emerging technology, and the future of digital systems, make sure you subscribe to The Technist HQ and turn on notifications, because the future is arriving faster than most people realize.